Okay guys, I'm here with another video. I stopped at the Lego store here in Edmonton and they had the new Lego Jurassic World sets. They didn't have the fourth set with the Carnotaurus in it, which is kind of sad. I've got to order it online now. I think it's like 70 Canadian, which is sucky, but this one was $90 and then that one was $50 and that one's I think $30 or $40. They were crazy prices, but that's because I guess they come with the dinosaur figures, which is really cool. And all of these Lego sets from the new Jurassic World theme are all Camp Cretaceous, which is crazy because that's like owned by Netflix, but I guess there's a lot of Lego sets that are made from Netflix shows, I guess. Can't remember. But yeah, so it's neat to have all the campers in Lego. There's like their little treehouse recreated. We've got hypothetical scenes where we've got Darius here learning about, I guess, Tyrannosaurus, and apparently Owen and Claire are in like both sets or all four sets. 2 sets come with Owen, and I think 2 sets come with Claire. I'm assuming that's just if people, like, say kids didn't collect the past sets and they want Owen or Claire, so they just kind of shoehorn them in, which is kind of understandable, but also weird that they're not in Camp Cretaceous and they're just thrown in. But I guess it makes sense marketing-wise. So that's pretty neat. We got Owen there and Claire's in the vehicle. This set in the back is a 4+ set, so it's kind of like the juniors, the younger kid sets, and then the 3 other sets are just mainline sets, not like marketed towards younger audiences. Pretty weird how they did 1 out of the 3 sets, a kind of younger kids set, as I'd assume if you got this set you'd want to have the rest of the characters anyways. But yeah, no, you got to get all the sets to get all the characters. We got Bumpy back again, and we've got Ben with Poop Scoop, so I guess he's cleaning up after Bumpy. This set is oddly poop themed because it comes with Bumpy and little turds, little turd patties, right? And it comes with the scooper, but the weirdest thing to me, like very weird, the treehouse comes with a toilet. It's the only thing I can kind of assume. It's in the back there, so you can have, I guess, your characters go to the washroom. Very weird. Very, very odd. I don't know why they added that. The only thing that can come to mind is because they have a bed there and they've actually got a sink. So they've got a bed in the sink, and I guess the staple part of any house is also, you know, a toilet. But already having the Bumpy poop theme is a little, like, too much. So now we've got a toilet in the treehouse. I thought it was canon in the show that they just went to the washroom in like the river or something by the treehouse. I don't know. I'll have to watch it again, but that's weird to include. I'm not gonna overthink it too much, but it's always gonna be there and slightly unsettling. The worst part about this lineup, by far the most weirdest, unsettling part, is this right here. So of course they shoehorned Owen into it, but what's happening in all the artwork is there's a guy and he's manning the boat, and Owen's also a part of the boat, and they're taking Grim off the island, like dinosaur poaching. I'm just gonna throw that out there. They're stealing Grim to sell. Owen's in on it. Like, Owen's straight up dinosaur poaching. 'Cause take a look. Darius is going on a little mission with Yaz in the boat, and they're rescuing the eggs, because these eggs are also being smuggled off the island, and they're going to free Grim. So I'm assuming in this hypothetical situation, Darius and Yaz go on this little boat, they rescue these eggs, and they end up freeing Grim as well. And you can see Owen's not happy with this. He's straight up got a stun baton in his hand, and he's chasing after Darius for releasing Grim. Like, that's weird. Owen, why are you like helping out the bad guys and poaching these dinosaurs? The only thing I can imagine is there's like a miscommunication. They're like trying to save the dinosaurs, but the kids think they're trying to smuggle them, so they like sabotage it or whatever. But it's just odd to see Owen, a main character, chasing after Darius, another main character, both protagonists, in this smuggling situation. It's very odd. And you can see on the pamphlet in the back of the box that that's what's going on. That's the theme of it. So it's a little odd. Because you can also see Darius and Owen, they're learning about the T-Rex together. So we've got two completely separate situations with the same characters in different settings. So again, all hypothetical, I guess, but still very odd to have him chasing after him with a stick, but also teaching him about dinosaurs or something. Yeah, and even on the back of the box, it's got like Owen searching for the kids with the spotlight. Like, what? Yeah, so these sets are interesting. I'll make videos, I guess, some other time. So expect them on my channel soon. Just going over these sets, each one of them. Because finally, oh my god, we've got new Jurassic sets, right? So that's going to be cool, and I'll order the Carnotaurus set and hopefully get that one in so I can share that with you guys as well. But these are really fun sets, and I can't wait to dive into them further. So hope you guys enjoyed this little sneak peek, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.